Hello, today I want to talk to you about these super soft microfiber cloths. But first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent them to me in exchange for my thoughts on them. I'm actually a huge microfiber cloth user. I love having microfiber cloths to clean with. I think they work fantastic on making the surfaces look shiny and smooth, for picking up dust, for especially on windows or mirrors. They really can give that super clean and spotless finish that you can't really get from just regular towels, especially paper towels and stuff. These work excellent in vehicles, like if you're trying to clean off your dash and all that. It'll pick up all that extra lint that you don't want and just give it a really clean finish. I like to keep these in my middle console of my car. I'll just lift it up and keep it in there. If I think things are starting to look a little dusty, the touch screen is not looking so fresh and pristine, then I'll pull this out and I will clean it all up with this. It gives it a really quick, easy way to clean surfaces inside your vehicle. I will say, pro tip, when you go to wash these, you don't want to wash them with anything else. I'm so serious. I have made that mistake. I knew not to do that, and I had microfiber cloths and I threw them in with the towels because why not? It's a towel, right? Well, something about it, the lint from the other towels gets onto these and it sticks to these, and then you can't ever get that clean, pristine look again. So you do want to baby these when you go to clean them so that you get a longer life out of these. So get you some of these and keep it clean.